just going to jump into this and talk about pyRevit. So pyRevit is an Iron Python library that is really it allows us to use the benefits of coding within within Revit to then allow us to then automate a lot of the tasks that we're doing that are kind of point and click. So it's kind of like the idea of using Lisps in AutoCAD, but it allows us to kind of do the things that we do repetitively and allows us to kind of better understand sort of the repetitive task and to automate those sort of simple things that then take a lot of time. And so the real benefit here is you have a bunch of these tools that allow us to click into things and allow us to have a bunch of different options that are all native to within Revit. So this is a toolbar that is loaded every time you open it, once you install it, and it has a bunch of these additional tools that we're going to go over. One of the big things here is if you see a dot next to it, they will kind of go over this when I'm talking about it, but if you press shift and click, it gives you options to then select within that. So it's not just a drop down, but it also has an additional, that's what the dot means after each one. So within the first sort of tools we have are the make pattern tool. A lot of people, the benefit of the make pattern tool is when we have a hatch pattern that we need to create. And one of these was the Everly decking. We wanted to be able to show the joist spacing with the decking beyond. And that hatch pattern is pretty custom. And we were able to make that and draw that to us a one-to-one scale, understand where the pattern repeats, and then be able to define that as a model pattern, which in this case, a model pattern is something that will scale with the drawing. So, or it's dimensionally accurate, or you have a detail pattern which we would want to set a scale to, and those are great for creating more of a detail. So that's a cool tool. Within the next kind of tool is the color tabs. This is really great for just separating our projects visibly so that we can be able to see I'm in an Everly project that's Everly 4A1, and then 4A2 would be a different color